Guys, what's up? Welcome back to my channel. So today I just want to share with you how I will try the soap brows routine. I don't know if you have heard it, pero parang nakita ko lang kasi siya sa Pixiwoo sisters, yung Pixiwoo sila Sam and Nick Chapman. Gumawa sila nung parang yung video nga using just soap to set their brows in place. So, medyo na-curious ako doon. I really wanna try that. And I also filmed a tutorial using my look today. A very romantic and dewy, fresh look. So, if you wanna see how I did this look, I will give the link down below. And then, now, let's start with the brow routine. I am going to use this NYX Micro Brow Pencil in Espresso. It has a pencil and a spoolie on one end. And I am just going to brush up my hair with the spoolie and then lightly fill them in. If you guys think that I am going to make a mistake on the soap brows thing, please let me know if you have other suggestions. Gusto ko lang talaga siyang matry. You know, medyo nauuso na ngayon yung mga unruly bushy brows. Napapansin ko yung mga makeup artists like sila Robbie Piñera, Anthea Bueno, and yung mga artista nila, parang nakikita ko, yung mga artista clients na nakikita ko parang bushy or naka-brush up yung brows. Feathery ba yung tawag doon? Yun yata yun. And hindi na yung katulad ng mga nakikita nating brows sa Instagram na talagang super sharp na parang nakakasugat. And I've never done that in my life ever, yung ganong klaseng brows, kasi it doesn't really look natural. And yun, hindi lang siya talaga okay. And even makeup artists don't do that, kaya hindi ko siya ginagawa. Even in my clients, I don't do that. So I am an advocate of bushy, natural looking brows. So I'm already happy with the way I filled them in. Kasi baka mamaya gagawan ko pa siya ng konting drawing kapag after nung soap natin. And here is the soap that I'm going to use. Is the Body Shop soap. Wala na siyang ibang description, sorry. Body Shop soap lang talaga siya. And iba-iba siya lang scent. Just so happened na strawberry itong nakuha ko. And I saw from the Pixiwoo video na yung ginagamit nilang brows, yung ganito, yung hindi siya yung may solid or opaque na color. Para siyang yung ano bang tawag sa soap na to? Basta yung may reflection siya, yung hindi siya talaga solid na color. So, ayun. I've tried doing the soap brows once lang off cam. Tinry ko lang siya one random day and sana maging okay yung result. Kasi okay yung result niya last time. And they said na using yung soap nga daw as to set the brows, hindi daw, para siyang brow gel na din. Magsiset na yung brows mo in place and you don't need any other brow gels pa kapag daw gumamit ka ng brows. So, nakita ko lang sa ginagawa nila is they wet the spoolie and then saka nila i-brush dito sa soap. Now, wala kasi ako water ready, but I am just going to use this setting spray, yung Wet n Wild Photo Focus setting spray. So, spray ko lang siya dito sa soap. Yan. And kapag basa na siya, I will i-run ko lang tong spoolie sa soap. And then, ito na. Kapag medyo, ano na yung, nagkaroon na ng product, yung spoolie natin, saka natin siya i-apply sa brows. Sana mag-work. Ayan. So, if you're going to ask me, ano yung feeling, basa siya. So, yun yung medyo mararamdaman mo nyo lang sa umpisa kapag siguro tinry nyo ito. Kasi nga, tubig yung inano. So, medyo kumuha pa ako ng konting product. Ayan. So, achieve ba yung feathery brows. Parang naging bushy yata. But then again, ayusin ko naman yan mamaya. So, medyo aalisin ko lang yung mga extrang nakatayo dito. Ayan. So, let's do it on the other side. So, medyo basa pa yung soap. So, again, ni-scrape ko lang siya dito Then, do it on the other side. And, thankfully, hindi kulay red yung product. Kahit na red yung soap ko. So, it's very transparent and clear. Okay. Then, ipa-flatten ko tong part na to. Sabi nila may binabagayan daw yung bushy brows. Hindi ko alam kung bagay ba siya sa akin. Let me know in the comments below. Hindi ako masasaktan kung sasabihin niyo hindi. Pero nakita ko lang kasi dun sa ibang tao na bumagay, maganda, baka okay lang din sa akin. So, ayan. I'm just going to quickly run that. What do you guys think? Siguro kailangan ko lang siyang linisin sa part na to. Yung feeling ng brows ko, para siyang nilagyan ng glue. Para siyang nag-set. Kung ano yung feeling ng brow gel. Pero yung brow gel kasi hindi. Yung brow gel kasi minsan matigas. Ito hindi. Para siyang dinikit. Parang ganon. Try ko pang lagyan. Para lang mas sure ako na. By the way guys, itong nakikita nyo to, excess hair siya. So, hindi ko kasi alam na kung ano bang dapat gawin ko dyan. So, yun na yung soap brows ko. Ayusin ko lang to. Yan. Okay. Medyo parang, medyo dumapa lang ng konti to kasi naganon ko kasi siya. Ayan. May konti pang soap There you go. I think we're good. Yan. So, I'm gonna zoom you guys back out para mas makita nyo. Yan. Weird siya sa umpisa. Like, parang feeling ko ang kapal masyado. Pero, uso nga ngayon yung makapal. So, I think, I'll give it a few more days to try and see if pangatawanan ko mo yung ganito klase ng brows. And usually kasi in the morning when I get ready, nagmamadali na ako. So, minsan brow pencil lang and I'm good to go. And ito, kukuha pa ako ng soap, spoolie, and all. Tapos, i-clean ko pa. So, medyo siguro time consuming siya. But, yun nga. Do I recommend it? I highly recommend it. Especially if you wanna go for an extra kind of look. If you're feeling extra, if you wanna be extra glam, I think this is a good game changer for your makeup. Kasi it already makes your brows look thick and konting fill in lang, okay na siya. Although medyo bushy talaga kasi yung brows ko naturally, makapal talaga yung brows ko. Yung natural brow ko talaga is makapal, So, hindi ko talaga masyado nang ginagawa ng bonggang filling in yung brows ko. So, ayan. Ang feeling niya, ayun, para pa rin siyang glue, para pa rin siyang nakadikit. And, yeah, I will give you an update na lang sa description box ko kung nag-last ba yung brows ko in place the whole day. I'm gonna test this makeup the whole day. So, I will give you an update on that. And yeah, I will see you in my next video, guys. And please like, comment, and subscribe to my channel if you haven't already. And kung meron pa kayong mga brow tips and tricks, just comment down below. Tatry ko yung mga yun. And yeah, so see you guys next time. Bye!